Hello and welcome back to another Anaestheasier tutorial. Today we're looking at the SI units of measurement. They are covered briefly in our Anaesthesia shorts video, however this tutorial covers a bit more in-depth information about how the units are actually derived. The second is the unit of time. A cesium-133 atom oscillates very quickly and very regularly, making it good for timekeeping, so a set number of oscillations determines the length of 1 second. If you're interested, the official definition is as follows. The second is defined as being equal to the time duration of 9,192,631,770 periods of the radiation corresponding to the transition between the two hyperfine levels of the fundamental unperturbed ground state of the cesium-133 atom. Don't worry about remembering that. Just demonstrate you understand it involves oscillation of cesium atoms. The meter is a bit more simple. We know that light travels 300 million meters per second. So switch on your torch, count 1/300 millionths of a second, presumably using your handy cesium atom, and mark where the light has got to. That's a meter. Current is measured with amperes, and this is a strange one. Take two parallel conductors of infinite length, they're probably available on Amazon, and hold them a meter apart. The current required to generate a force of 2 × 10⁻⁷ newtons per meter is 1 ampere. Or at least it was until 2019, when someone decided they weren't happy with this definition and decided to define the elementary charge. This is basically 1.6 × 10⁻⁹ coulombs, and 1 ampere is then defined as 1 coulomb per second. It's all rather circular and confusing, so I don't think the examiners are going to ask too much about this, and I'll move on. If you're in doubt, use the older definition, as the examiners may not be fully up to date with their SI unit definitions. If you're really keen to flex, then a subtle, well, it used to be this until 2019 when, but make sure you actually know the answer if you're going to do this. Moving on, the Candela is a very specific definition based on the intensity of a single beam of monochromatic light in one direction of a specific wavelength. Don't worry about the details, essentially 1 candle is 1 candela. This is probably the most sensible SI unit. The Kelvin is defined as 1/273.16 of the thermodynamic temperature of the triple point of water. Given this occurs at 0.01 degrees Celsius, we can basically say the Kelvin is -273.15 Celsius and move on. The mole is the amount of substance that contains 6.022 × 10⁻23 molecules or particles or atoms. It's the same number as are found in 12 grams of pure carbon-12 atoms. Finally, the kilogram. Originally very sensibly defined as the mass of 1 litre of water, this was then modified to an international prototype of the kilogram, a small block of platinum and iridium that was kept locked under 2 glass bell jars requiring 3 keys to open it in France. To help the other countries out, models of these were kindly made and distributed around the world. However, much like the ampere, this was redefined in 2019 to a less Lord of the Ringsy definition, which basically determined the kilogram in terms of the Planck constant. It's essentially still the mass of a litre of water.